HRTC Horse Riding Training Center. Founder and CEO Jahidul Bhai is working hard for my kids. This is a very good training center for horse riding. Jahin and Afifa first time riding together. Jahin is on Maximus and Afifa is on Defender. Both of them are Marwari breed. Height average 60 inches. Afifa is following Jahin. Jahidul Bhai is instructing them how to control a horse. Both these breeds are Marwari.